Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is just a side snack called crispy potato wedges, which can be eaten anytime, any day. This is one side dish that everyone's supposed to think of because it is very crispy and healthy as well. We use Irish potato to make it, but do bear in mind that you can use any potato of your choice. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the crispy potato wedges are our peeled Irish potato, corn flour, all-purpose flour, crushed chili, all-purpose seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, dry thyme, salt, paprika, parsley and vegetable oil. Please note you can add more seasoning or less depending on your choice, but what I just mentioned is my choice of seasoning for this particular recipe. I've peeled the potato already before now. As you can see, you can decide not to peel the potato for this recipe. There is no problem about that. Please do watch my hand because the cutting is very important and it is one of the reasons why we call this recipe potato wedges. And do bear in mind that after cutting it in wedges shape, I will wash it again. And washing the potato, this is what we got. Let's go to the next section. I have a pan on the heat already and I will be adding some salt to it, after which I will cover and bring the water to a boil. The water is boiled, as you can see. Pour the cut potato in the boiling water, cover and allow it for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, this is 10 minutes later. Remove the potato from the heat and drain the water out. Please make sure you do not leave the potato on the heat for more than 10 minutes so that it won't overcook. Alright, next let's prep the batter we'll be using to coat the potato wedges. In a clean bowl, I've added all-purpose flour, corn flour, crushed chili, all-purpose seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, dry thyme, salt, paprika, parsley and water. After which, mix very well to combine. Please make sure the batter is creamy, I mean not too thick or light in consistency. Alright, after mixing the batter, add the potato wedges and coat very well. Make sure you coat it very well so that the potato will get the taste of the beautiful spices or seasoning that was added therein. After coating, cover with a plastic film and store in the fridge for 10 minutes or more if you have all the time. Next is to add the potato wedges in a preheated oil and fry until golden brown. Please don't stir immediately as you add it so that it will not lose the spices or seasoning used to coat them. Alright? Keep watching. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if you have not, subscribe to the channel and give this video a huge thumbs up to encourage us. Alright? Once the potato is golden brown on each side, remove from the oil and repeat the process until all the potatoes are fried. And here comes the final stage of the frying of the potato wedges. On this junction, Virtuous family, The crispy potato wedges is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Yay, virtuous family, this is a crispy, delicious and healthy outcome. You can pair this with any sauce of your choice, but for me, I am using red chili sauce with a sprinkle of parsley on top. You can use ketchup or any sauce of your choice. Will you be trying these potato wedges? Yes, you will. Try this recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing them at your doorstep. If you like the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comments to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.